Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. This is the third lecture of previous year's paper series, and this series is very much important for your upcoming examination because with the help of this series you'll understand what kind of questions will be asked in the examination, and it will provide a foundation to your preparation. In our third lecture we are discussing question based on Indian polity. We'll also discuss which topic in Indian polity is important for UPSC EPFO 2020. Let us start the lecture. Educare 247 has launched comprehensive course for UPSC EPFO 2020. In this comprehensive course, we are providing topic-wise notes. MCQs will be covered for each and every topic. More than 6-7,000 MCQs will be provided, and we are also providing important video lectures. Those topics which we feel are important for the examination will provide the video lecture. Right now we are running a discount. You can use the coupon code EPFO for 1000 rupees discount, so your course fee will be 1999, and this is lockdown learning, so don't waste your time. Keep learning during this lockdown period. The first question is, forced labor or beggar is the violation of which of the following article of the Constitution of India? The answer is Article 23. This question is from the topic of fundamental right, and fundamental right is very important for any examination. Those examinations especially which UPSC conduct, they are fundamental right, directive principle of state policy, preamble. These are the most important topic. You have to learn these topics in very thorough manner. You have to grab all the important concepts related to this topic. The next question is, which of the following statement regarding the Constituent Assembly of India is not correct? So see, you have to be very careful. They are asking the not correct statement. The first statement is, the Constituent Assembly was composed of members who had been elected indirectly by the Provincial Legislative Assembly. It is the correct statement. In Constituent Assembly, the Provincial Legislative Assembly members were elected indirectly. The second statement is, the Constituent Assembly held its first meeting sitting on 9th December 1945. So this is also the correct statement. The third statement is, the seat in each province were distributed among the three main communities, Muslim, Sikh and General, in proportion to their respective population. This is also very correct statement. And the fourth statement is, the method of selection in case of representative of Indian state was to be determined by the Governor General of India. That is wrong. There was fixed method in the Act of 1935. With the help of that they were selected. So fourth statement is wrong. Apart from that, all are the correct. The next question is, which one of the following is not a constitutional body? So this is also very important question. Every year a question related to constitutional bodies and non-constitutional bodies will be asked in the examination. So you have to go through the important details of this body. Here Election Commission is a constitutional body. Finance Commission is also a constitutional body. The Official Language Commission is also a constitutional body. The National Commission for Women is not a constitutional body. Basically, the constitutional body means the body which has been mentioned in the Constitution of India, and those body which has been prepared with the help of Act, those are not a constitutional body. So this is the basic difference. Remember this important point. It can be asked in the examination. The next question is, Panchayat Extension of Schedule Area Act 1996 permits self-governance of natural resources by. So basically it says that the Gram Sabha is the responsible person which will permit for the natural resources. So here answer is A, Gram Sabha. So see, if some new act has been passed, that is also very important for the polity portion. So you have to remember all the important acts as well. The next question is, which one of the following statements regarding the overseas citizen of India is not correct? So again, not correct has been asked. The first option is, an OCI, overseas citizen of India, is a citizen of another country. This is true. The second is, an OCI possesses a multiple entry long-term visa for visiting India. This is also correct. The third statement is, an OCI is at par with NRIs in all matter. See, not in all matter. Whenever you see all, only, this kind of statement is mostly incorrect, so be careful. And the fourth statement is an OCI is not entitled to be the fundamental right to equality of the opportunity in the public employment. This is correct statement. Okay, so basically they are not entitled in the public employment. This is also correct. So here answer is C, because not correct has been asked. The next question is, which of the following is not the feature of Aadhaar Targeted Delivery of Financial and Other Subsidies Benefit and Services Act 2016? So this act was passed in 2016 and it has been asked in 2017. So remember that those acts which has been passed in 2019 and 2020, it is very important for your examination. Here option A is only citizen of India are entitled for the enrollment under this act. So this is not correct. Apart from that, B, C, D is correct. So here answer is A. You can see that in most of the question they have asked not correct or not the feature. Okay, so you have to be very careful and you have to see the statement. You have to read the statement very carefully. They have asked not or they have asked in general manner. So here answer is A. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.